MBA Crash Course on Accounting and Financial Reporting. Introduction. Accounting and financial reporting are essential components of running a successful business. They provide the foundation for making informed decisions, managing resources, and communicating financial information to stakeholders. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamentals of accounting and financial reporting, delve into real-life examples and stories, discuss the top 12 principles of accounting and financial reporting, and provide a summary of the key takeaways. Interesting stories and examples. Enron Scandal. The Enron Scandal, one of the most notorious accounting frauds in history, serves as a cautionary tale. Enron, a leading energy company, used complex accounting techniques to manipulate financial statements and inflate profits. This scandal resulted in the bankruptcy of the company and led to the implementation of stricter accounting regulations to ensure transparency and accuracy in financial reporting. Lehman Brothers collapse. The collapse of Lehman Brothers during the 2008 financial crisis highlighted the importance of accurate financial reporting. The investment bank used accounting practices that masked its true financial health, leading to a severe loss of investor confidence. The event emphasized the need for sound financial reporting to ensure the stability and trustworthiness of financial institutions. Top 12 Accounting and Financial Reporting Principles. 1. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP. GAAP serves as the standard framework for financial accounting and reporting in the United States. It provides guidelines on how to prepare and present financial statements, ensuring consistency, comparability, and transparency. 2. Accrual Accounting. Under the accrual accounting method, revenue and expenses are recognized when earned or incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. This principle allows for a more accurate representation of a company's financial position and performance. 3. Going Concern Principle. The going concern principle assumes that a company will continue to operate for the foreseeable future. This principle guides the preparation of financial statements under the assumption that the entity will not liquidate or cease operations. 4. Materiality. Materiality refers to the significance or relevance of information in influencing users' decisions. Accountants must consider materiality when determining which information to include in financial statements to avoid distorting the overall picture. 5. Consistency. Consistency requires that accounting methods and practices remain unchanged over time. This principle ensures comparability of financial information across different periods, allowing users to make meaningful comparisons. 6. Conservatism. The conservatism principle suggests that accountants should err on the side of caution when recording uncertain events. It aims to avoid overstating assets or income and ensures a more conservative representation of a company's financial position. 7. Full disclosure. The principle of full disclosure requires companies to provide all relevant and necessary information in financial statements and accompanying notes. This principle ensures transparency and helps users understand the complete financial picture. 8. Matching principle. The matching principle states that expenses should be recognized in the same period as the revenues they help generate. This principle ensures that financial statements accurately reflect the costs associated with earning revenue. 9. Objectivity. The principle of objectivity requires accountants to use unbiased and verifiable evidence when recording financial transactions. It emphasizes the importance of relying on objective facts rather than subjective opinions. 10. Cost principle. Under the cost principle, assets are initially recorded at their historical cost. This principle ensures that financial statements are based on reliable and verifiable information rather than subjective estimates of value. 11. Substance over form. The principle of substance over form requires accountants to focus on the economic substance of transactions rather than their legal form. It prevents companies from manipulating financial statements by disguising the true nature of transactions. 12. Prudence. The principle of prudence suggests that accountants should exercise caution and not anticipate gains before they occur. It encourages a conservative approach to financial reporting, ensuring that potential losses are recognized. Summary. Accounting and financial reporting are critical aspects of managing a successful business. This crash course has explored the fundamentals of accounting and financial reporting, highlighting their importance in decision-making, resource management, and stakeholder communication. We examined real-life examples such as the Enron Scandal and Lehman Brothers collapse to underscore the significance of accurate financial reporting. Poem. ChatGPT. In numbers realm where secrets lie. Accounting and reporting amplify. A symphony of figures, precise and clear. Guiding businesses, erasing fear. From ledger's pages to spreadsheets might. Numbers come alive, shedding light. Balance sheets and cash flows dance. Revealing a company's financial stance. Principles of accounting, steadfast and true. GAAP's guidance, a trusted view. Accruals capture revenue's embrace. Matching expenses in perfect space. Materiality weighs significance in its hand. Consistency ensures a firm stand. Full disclosure paints the complete scene. Transparency reigns, honest and clean. Objectivity, the impartial judge. Cost principle records with no grudge. Substance over form, truth revealed. In financial reports, integrity sealed. Conservatism whispers caution song. Prudence prevails, nothing goes wrong. With every entry, every line. Accounting captures a business's shine. From Enron Scandal to Lehman's fall. Lessons learned, cautions call. Accounting and reporting's power defined. To safeguard trust, a sacred bind. So let the ledgers speak, let numbers sing. A language of business, to the world it brings. In precision and accuracy, success unfurled. Accounting and reporting, the backbone of the business world. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.